Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to create this nice hover effect. We will be using both the before and the after pseudo elements in this example, so let's see how we can do that. Well, first of all, I will start right here in the HTML and I will add an anchor tag and just say hover me. Then we need to go to our CSS and add some styles. So I will target the anchor tag. Then I will add text decoration, none, background color, this nice dark gray color, font family, sans serif, font size, 40 pixels, border, 4 pixels, solid, and the dark gray color. Then I will add padding, 40 pixels from top and bottom, and 80 pixels from left and right. And finally, I will add position, relative. Good. Now, let's start work on the before and after pseudo elements. I will create the before pseudo element for our link, and I will say content, then the words hover me, then position, absolute, top, 0, left, 0, height, 100%, width, 100% as well, then background color, this nice yellow color, then color, our dark gray color. And now we need to center the content inside of it, and we will do that using Flexbox. So I will add display, flex, then justify content, center in order to center it horizontally, then align items, center as well in order to center the content vertically, and finally I will go and add transition, all 0.5 seconds. Great. So now we have the before pseudo element with this yellow background set on top of our link. Now, let's work on the after pseudo element. I will just copy all of that, paste it again, and I will change before to after. And now the after pseudo element is sitting on top of the before one. Okay, I will just go right here in the after pseudo element and I will add transform, translate, and I want to translate it by -100% horizontally, so it will move to the left, and I will translate it by 100% vertically, so it will move to the bottom. So now it should move 100% of its width to the left, and 100% of its height to the bottom. Just like we see here. Great. Now we have the before pseudo element sitting on top of the link, and the after pseudo element is in its new position. Let's keep moving. On hovering, I want the before pseudo element to move to the top right corner outside the link, and I want the after pseudo element to take its place. This is easy to do, so I will just go right here, and when I hover over the link, I want to make some changes happen to the before pseudo element. I will add transform, translate. I want it to move to the right, so I will add 100% of its width to the right, and I want it to move to the top, so I will add -100% of its height to the top. And just like that, when I hover over the link, you can see the before pseudo element moves to this new position. Now, we want to make the after pseudo element take its place. This will be very easy to do. I will just copy that and change before to after. Then I will make both the translate X and the translate Y 0 so that it will return to its original position. And now, when I hover over the link, you can see the before pseudo element leaves its place for the after pseudo element. Now, if you notice, you can see we still have the blue color of the link behind the before pseudo element, and it appears when we hover. So we can get rid of that no problem by just going back to the link selector and adding color, transparent, so that it will disappear. And I will add overflow, hidden, so that the elements don't appear outside the link. And now, when we hover over the link, you can see it all looks exactly how we hoped.